in this video I'm going to be showing you how I went from this to this in just under 5 minutes. Hello everyone, this is Indira here. If you're new here, I make videos related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle, so please do consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Instagram. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. So I got myself these two nail kits from the brand called Dashing Diva. This recently launched in India and it's available on the Beauty Talk India's website, and I got myself these two sets which come in this really pretty patterns. They have amazing patterns on their website, so do check them out. So I thought of going ahead with this really amazing gray and olive tones of this shade, and this is what the packaging looks like. It comes in this cardboard box, and then when you open the box you get this plastic packaging where you see all the nails over there, and they have like 30 tips in this particular kit. And when you open the first compartment you get access to all these nails which you can see out here, and there's another compartment where you get a little kit with a leaflet and some other stuff. So this is what this particular thing comes on. This has like a leaflet in it which comes in details with a foreign language, so I was not being able to go through it. But then they have this really amazing thing which was a prep pad and one buffer and one cuticle cleaning thing which was really handy. So first what you need to do is clean your fingertips with this particular prep pad which is provided in the kit. Then you go ahead with this wooden stick to just press your cuticles, and yeah, it just makes the application much more easier. Then I'm straight away going to the actual product. I'm taking and seeing which size would suit me, and I'm just peeling the sticker off and just pressing it on my nails itself. Be very gentle with this, and this has a really good adhesive which doesn't feel harsh on your nails. It is so smooth for the application. It just needs around 2 to 3 minutes to get like a really amazing salon style nails for this. So I'm doing the same thing again and again with all the other fingers, and I'm just using the buffer to get rid of this extra plastic on the nails. And yeah, this is what the final result looks like. It looks absolutely stunning. I highly recommend you guys to check out Beauty Talk India's website and get yourself these amazing sets of nails. They are just amazing and out of mind. I hope this video was helpful for you all to know how to apply these nails, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.